welcome to today's vlog. Today I just went ahead and picked up my worker Luke. Now we're about to head off and go detail this airplane.
Starting route to 94.
West Virginia. Alright, just went ahead and showed up here on site. What we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little quick walk around. I have Luke go ahead and cleaning up the wheels and tires while I do a quick walk around. This is the first time that Luke's been on camera. Luke's been working with me for probably close to a month now. But what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to clean it up and then we're going to polish this airplane because it is a little, like the paint's oxidized. I'll show you guys some close-ups of that. But we're going to go ahead and get started on this airplane. Alright, so we're going ahead, we're about probably a quarter way through washing. I don't want to talk in the garage since the owner is walking around and there'd be a little bit awkward. But Luke's doing a good job getting it all cleaned up. What I'm about to do now is pull out my polisher and start polishing the areas we've already washed so we can go ahead and get stuff knocked out. So hopefully while Luke's finishing washing, I'll be about halfway done polishing and then I can have him hop in and help me finish that up. Alright, so I want to give you guys another update. It's probably been about an hour since the last update. So far, I've polished probably about a quarter of the airplane. As you can see here, this section is polished and this section up here is not. The wing has been polished. You have Luke over here. He's been getting after it, helping prep and wash the outside of it. And then he's still going to have to go underneath the wings and clean up under here, but luckily we don't have to polish up under here. But we're gonna go ahead and keep on grinding and try and get this plane knocked out here in the next couple hours. Alright, so we've been slaving away on the airplane here. I went ahead and I'm still polishing up. About to finish up this side. I've done about to there with the wing. And about to, you can see right here, to this door back. And then Luke here finished up washing the rest of this side. And then now he's working on cleaning up underneath here. It's coming out really nice. And now he has to move on to the body, which he was saying is pretty bad. Let's take a look under there. It's not too bad, but looks like Luke's got some work cut out for him.
Hey guys, it's Maxwell's Mobile Detailing's best employee over here, Luke. Just chilling on this creeper. It's really fun to roll around on. I've just been slacking off lately. I shouldn't be. Don't tell boss man. Okay, it's our secret. But last time, I think Jacoby gave you an update. He was still polishing over here, like over there. So, but now he's on the other side, which is kind of cool. I'm getting the underneath done pretty well. Looks all nice. There's lots of dirt underneath the wheels. Now there's less dirt underneath the wheels. Oh, the back wings look pretty good. Tight squeeze. Gotta lose a couple barrels of weight, but look at that. Looks all clean and polished. Look at this man over here. He's working hard away, slaving, while I'm just rolling around, living the dream. And that's the scoop, guys.
Alright, so I want to give you guys another update. Probably about a quarter left of the airplane done now. Still have from about where Luke's standing to the back to do that wing back there and to do the back section of that tail. Just recently taught Luke just how to polish. He's using my old Harbor Freight $100 polisher, but he's helped me finish out this last little area here. He finished up the underneath, which he showed you guys. We're gonna go ahead, try knocking out this last little bit, and then hopefully we can move on to doing the quick little wipe down at the end, and then we can call it done and pack up and go home.
Alright guys, we just finished polishing, and Jacoby said that was the end of doing polishing. But now he lied to me. He said we gotta do windows and final wipe down. But I'm like, hell no, I'm gonna eat my goldfish. I've been starving this whole time. Didn't get a lunch break or anything. And goldfish are made with smiles and love, and they just make me so happy. I love me goldfish. So I'll let Jacoby do the final wipe down and windows while I just watch him. Fun time.
Alright, so we just finished up. Me and Luke here have been packing up and just doing the final wipe down. Give you guys a quick walk around. Again, what we did is we washed and polished and waxed this whole thing. And it came out looking great. Alright, and that's going to conclude today's vlog. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and hit the like. If you guys leave a comment down below. If you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button.